Hey friends, if you encounter Microsoft Store error code 0x80073cfe, the package repository is corrupted, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is a WS reset. So, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command WS reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store cache and reopen it. So this can be very helpful, but if that doesn't help, then you can reinstall Microsoft Store. Now, Microsoft Store is not an application which can be uninstalled, so you cannot reinstall it. So the process is called re-registering it. We have a PowerShell command for it. I'll share it with you in the description section of the video. Simply copy it, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.